This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes W-2 forms from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Also, collect records for potential deductions and credits, like student loan interest or charitable contributions. Having your Social Security number and last year's tax return readily available will streamline the process significantly. Next, decide how you'll file. You can choose to file electronically, which is often faster and more accurate, or submit a paper return by mail. Many people use tax software, which guides you through each step and helps identify potential deductions. If your income is below a specific amount, you might qualify for free tax preparation services, saving you money. Now it's time to complete your return. Accurately report all sources of income, whether from wages, investments, or self-employment. Then, claim all eligible deductions and credits you qualify for. These can significantly lower your tax liability. Double-check every entry for accuracy, as even small mistakes can cause delays or issues with the IRS. Finally, submit your completed tax return by the deadline, which is usually April 15th. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time to avoid penalties. If you're due a refund, you can often choose direct deposit for faster access to your funds. Always keep copies of your return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.